Suppose you want to buy or purchase some mithai and you go to a shop of mithai wala. On that shop there is a board written Patel and Patel Brothers. So what is your interpretation about the board? That this shop is run by Mr. Patel and his brothers, right? Then you enter inside the shop and there are various types of laddus kept and various labels are there on those laddus. So if it is written bundi laddus, what is your interpretation about those laddus? That those laddus are made out of bundi. So this is your interpretation about that board. See, interpretation is that easy. Hello everyone, welcome to Law Simple, Pure and to the Core. Dr. Vaishali here, and today we are going to learn the meaning of interpretation of statute. To interpret something means to know something, to read something and to understand something. Okay, and what is the meaning of statute? In India, we have several types of law. Number one law is the Constitution of India, which is made by the Constituent Assembly and it is not a statute. It is not an act of parliament. Second comes statute, means IPC, CRPC, Indian Contract Act, Trust Act or Trust Law. So these are made by the parliaments and they are called statutes. Then we have judicial law, which is made by judiciary, like Vishakha's case, right? We have international law. Apart from that, we have personal law, and then administrative law like rules, bylaws, orders, ordinances, notifications. These are also laws. So for this subject, statute means an act of parliament. Okay, so you are going to study how that statute is supposed to be interpreted. There are certain rules which are developed by the system and you are supposed to follow these rules while interpreting that act of parliament. Judges and lawyers, they are supposed to interpret the statute first and then apply it in a situation. This subject is very easy and you can get really good marks in this subject by applying your existing knowledge. Case laws are same as they are there in the Constitution of India. So you have to act really smart, you have to use your knowledge, you have to know the theory, develop those points and support it with appropriate case laws and you will score really well in this subject. One by one we are going to see each and every topic in this subject. But what I'm expecting from you is please comment and like so that I will get an idea about whether you are learning or not and how to teach. So please help me with that. Please give me a topic list so that I can give justice to that topic list in my next lecture. All I want to do is to teach you during this pandemic time. I know lectures are not happening and it's really difficult to study, and my purpose is to help you during this pandemic time, and that's why I'm running this free YouTube channel. So please like and subscribe and comment. So stay tuned till my next lecture. Goodbye and good luck.